Leo, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Someone's kind of fed up. You could be doing, you could be trying to pursue this connection with this person over and over again. But someone's kind of fed up here, you know. Now, fed up, exhausted, okay, overwhelmed. Now, this person does have a lot of love for you, okay, is what I'm getting here. They do have a lot of love for you. But I feel that you're dealing with someone here who probably is, like, whoa, the camera just fell. Sorry about that. Okay. So I feel like you're dealing with someone here who's trying to make a relationship work out or a connection work out with you over and over again. I feel that they're reaching a point of exhaustion. All right, you could have been feeling very burnt out, like the wounded warrior out here, okay? But I feel that for most of you, this person's going through a lot of paranoia. They have trust issues. They're very careful, okay? So when it comes to this connection with you, this person's very careful. I think this person could have had a past experience, which is stopping the growth of the situation here, okay, with you both. So there's something that you need to pursue with them, or they want to pursue with you, but the past experiences happen so bitter that they don't know if they want to still make it work out. They're just like, once bitten twice shy kind of energy here. Now for a lot of you, I do feel here that this person is bored. Okay, for a few of you, this person is very bored because there's nothing productive going on in their love life. Probably from the time you guys have broken up or you guys had no communication. I feel you could have made an offer to this person here, and this person probably rejected that offer, and now they're very upset about it. For the others of you, this person wants to make you an offer, okay, but they fear rejection. All right. And for the others of you, I feel that this person here, they could even have a lot of options around them, but they're not interested in any of them because the only option they're interested in is you. Okay. So yeah, but things are pretty boring in their life. They're stuck, stagnant here. But yeah, in how they view this connection is that they feel very rejected. They're emotionally very disappointed in this connection here. Okay, because either they wanted more with you, but they can't give it to you. Okay, for some of you, this person could also already be with someone else, because of which they can't give you what you want. And for some of you, they're willingly not being able to give you what you want. Okay, because they're just not ready for it. However, they do want a brand new beginning with you. Okay, there's a lot of sexual attraction here. There's a lot of passion. There's a lot of chemistry here. Okay, so yeah, they are very attracted to you, although the love is there. But yes, they would want a brand new beginning with you. All right, but more of a passionate beginning with you. Okay, let's see. Well, how does this person feel for Leo? What are this person's current feelings for Leo from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021? What are this person's feelings for Leo from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021? Okay. Okay. Now, I do feel, Leo, that there has been an ending between you both here. Okay. There's been an ending between you both here. Okay. Someone feels backstabbed, betrayed, cheated. Okay. Someone feels like they were stabbed in the back. Your connection could have hit rock bottom. All right. Or has. But something did come to an ending here. All right. A painful ending here. This is not like an ending for good. For some of you, yes. But this is more like a setback. Okay. Your relationship has gone through a rough patch. And I feel here now that this person here wants a reconciliation with you. Okay, they want a rebirth of this connection. I feel for a lot of you that this ending had to happen. It was a blessing in disguise, because I feel for a lot of you could have let this person go. I don't know why I'm getting that. You could have let this person go because this person wasn't giving you what you want. They kept breadcrumbing you all this while, and they want to keep having new cycles with you over and over again. Okay, but they just don't. It's like a touch and go with them. Now I feel that this person has like a wake up call. Okay, they have like this huge realization, like, oh damn, I want Leo, I want to be with Leo. And so there's this sense of realization and awakening, okay, after whatever came crumbling down between you both here. Okay, but this person definitely wants a reconciliation with you. They want a rebirth with you, and it will happen. It just depends on when it is. I feel this person here has made a decision, okay, and now they are wanting, so for a lot of you, this could be a long distance relationship. For the others of you, this person here has made a choice and now they're waiting for their ships to come in. It's like they've taken a step ahead. Okay, they're very optimistic about the future with you. Okay, for a lot of you, either this person is married to you. If they're not married to you, then this person sees you as marriage material. Okay, they want something very grounded, something very stable and secure with you. Okay, for some of you, this person could already be married to someone else here and they're stuck in a rut. Take it how it resonates. But I feel here that this person here is doing a lot of forward planning, like a lot of moving forward. They want to move forward with you, but they're waiting and watching either for the right time. They're waiting patiently for the right time, or they made a decision and now they're very optimistic and waiting for something to happen. They could be waiting for their ships to come in, but there's this waiting energy here. Probably they want to come towards you at the right time with a reconciliation here. Okay, let's see, what are this person's intentions towards Leo? What are this person's intentions towards Leo? What are this person's intentions towards Leo? Intentions towards Leo. This person's intentions towards Leo. Okay. Knight of Swords, Ace of Cups, Four of Wands. I'm feeling here in their intentions here, for a lot of you, if this person had tried to walk away, if they walked away, this person has done a lot of deep analysis, a lot of deep contemplation, a lot of self-introspection about what they want in this relationship, what they need to do, a lot of what, when, where, how, why. They've been doing a lot of thinking about this relationship, okay? And kind of they have reached to a point where they realize that in their intentions here, they do want to talk to you. There is a certain change that they want in this relationship, okay? The Knight of Swords is the energy of someone, who wants to, has an urgency to communicate with you, which is telling me that there is no communication between you both, okay? Either very shitty communication or no communication at all. This person is in a hurry to talk to you, like they're desperate to talk to you, okay? They want to talk to you yesterday, is what I'm getting here. They do want a brand new beginning with you in love, okay? So again, yes, with the Ace of Wands here and the Ace of Cups here, for a lot of you, this could be a new person coming towards you, and for the others of you, this is a person that you've had a lot of new beginnings with, okay? And again, they're coming back with a passionate beginning and an emotional beginning towards you, okay? I feel that this person here probably knows what the truth of the situation is. They know what is possible, what is not possible. They know what they can offer, they know what they can't offer here. But even if they tried their best to walk away from you, they couldn't do it. I feel this person here is ready to leave their comfort zone and come towards you, is what I'm getting here. For a lot of you, this person could be someone who's trying to walk away from their emotions for you, okay? Although they want a reconciliation with you, but in their intentions from the 1st to the 10th of December here, they do want stability, security, commitment. With the Four of Wands here, for a lot of you, this could be a twin flame connection here, okay? And this person here definitely wants stability, harmony and peace between you both here. If you're married, they want to stay married to you. If you're not married, they want to probably give you something long term, or they're looking at long term in their intentions here, and they want a new beginning with you in love. They have overwhelming emotions for you. However, the Knight of Swords is not really an energy. Yes, Knight of Swords is more like saying the harsh truth, coming in too strong, where it's like you need to brace for impact here. But yeah, they want to rush in. Okay, maybe they just want to rush in and talk to you like, hey, you know what, I love you, I want you, let's just get married, okay? I don't feel they would say that, but they would probably say to you that, you know what, I do intend on marrying you someday, something like that here. But there is a sense of urgency where this person needs to talk. They need to talk here. Now, if you walked away, they've done a lot of, thinking about this, all right? And if they walked away here from you, I feel that this person has probably ghosted you, or you ghosted them, whatever. This person is wanting to walk away from anything that was known, that was familiar, and they're ready to take a risk, and they're wanting to come towards you, moving towards you, wanting to see what's out there, okay? Because I feel throughout the reading here, I'm seeing a lot of future planning with you. I don't see someone here who's closing the cycle. I don't see someone here who's putting an end here. I see someone here who's wanting to restart something new with you. Okay, for a lot of you, I feel that this person could already be married. I said that before also. For some of you, this person could already be married here. Okay, which is why a cycle just stays stuck where it is here. Yeah, so that's what I have for you. Maybe I want to clarify a few things here. What's the judgment? What's the judgment? Yeah, so this person here does want a reconciliation with you. I feel whilst things were on a pause between you both, right? I feel this person, there is a delay in reconciliation here, first of all. Secondly, I feel that whilst there was stagnancy and things were stuck between you both here, if there was a pause here or if there is a pause continuing right now, it's going to take a while here. But while waiting, this person here is changing the way they think. They're changing their perspective about this relationship. They're trying to see things from a different point of view, which is lovely. Alright, tell me, what's the Knight of Swords? What's the Knight of Swords and their intentions? Yeah. But, so, with the King of Cups here, like I said, this thing keeps coming out. No matter how much they love you, okay? This person loves you to the moon and back. But, they may come in towards you very rash, but deep down, it's this person sitting there. Doesn't matter it's a girl or a boy here. This person just feels it's more mature, not to be overwhelmed. This person, I think somehow is kind of has trust issues also, what I'm getting, which I got before also. This person probably does not want to open up about their feelings. They don't want to be vulnerable for a lot of you, okay? Which is why they kind of emotionally manipulate you. So maybe this person has a lot of love for you, but they kind of keep driving it away towards the passion here, okay? So when you're passionate about someone, it doesn't hurt so much, you know, you're not vulnerable. But when you're emotionally open to someone else, right, so the person has all the chances of hurting you, right? Which is what I'm getting here, because the passionate start is there here, okay? The love is also there here. And with the King of Cups here, I don't get the King of Wands, I get the King of Cups here. Someone who has a lot of deep love for you, but they're just stuck emotionally, okay? So yeah, you know what, let me clarify the Four of Wands. What's the Four of Wands here? They want to tell you how much they love you, but I don't think they will. They'll probably just keep it very rash. They'll just keep it very to the point. What's the Four of Wands here? Yeah. See, this person probably is ready to commit to you, okay? They are ready to commit to you. They've prepared themselves. They know what they want. They're planning while waiting for you, okay? I told you, there's a lot of planning going on whilst this person's on hold here, okay? So if you think that this person, the situation's over and done within you both here, it's not. They are taking their own time out here, okay? And if you give them this time, instead of pestering them or messaging them and asking them to contact you, or you want to contact them, don't do that, okay? You are going to interfere with the way they think here. This person is ready to come towards you slowly but steadily. They want to move towards you and give you what you want, but it's going to be very slow. It's going to be very slow. Don't expect this person to come towards you in the next month or next week and come and tell you, hey, you know what, I want a reconciliation, I love you. No, the reconciliation will be there, but I feel if you want commitment or marriage with this person, it's going to take time. They are in no hurry to marry you. They are in no hurry to commit to you. Although you are the only one they want, but again, they want to take their time. I feel you're dealing with someone whose focus is money, A, and secondly, someone who just likes it one day at a time. Okay, so they don't like to see the entire bigger picture and like just jump in head first here. They want to resolve the issue with you here, but the commitment is going to take time. Okay, so that's what I have for you. Hope you got more clarity, and do like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye. See you next time.